Translate and simplify the sum of 3 times a number and 10 subtracted from 9 times a number. So oftentimes what we want to do in these kinds of problems is translate the words into mathematics, right? A big part of doing mathematics is first translating words or the real world into mathematics, so then we can work with the simpler mathematics and simplify from there. So let's see what we have here. The sum of 3 times a number and 10. So we're adding, sum means add, 3 times, usually when you see the expression a number, that's your variable, so we'll call that x, okay. The sum of 3 times a number, so 3 times x and 10, okay, so we're taking, let's see here, we have the sum of 3 times a number and 10. The sum of 3 times a number and 10, okay, subtracted from 9 times a number. So this means we're subtracting all of this from 9 times a number. So here's 9 times a number, and we're subtracting all of this, right? So when it says the sum of 3 times a number and 10 subtracted from, that means we're subtracting this entire quantity, so you want these parentheses in there. Okay, well, the translating part is done. Now let's just focus on simplifying the math. So let's distribute this negative through to both terms. Okay, so we have 9x minus 3x minus 10, and then combine like terms, 6x minus 10. There we go. All right. Let's try another one of these translate problems. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Okay, so we have half a number minus the product of the number and 8. Okay, so half a number, I think that just means we're going to do 1/2 x. Half a number minus the product. Product means multiply of the number and 8. So let's bring this down here. All right, so we have half a number minus the product of the number, so still the same number, and 8, minus the product of a number and 8. Oops, 1/2 x minus the product of a number and 8. There we go. And now let's just convert this to decimal form. So we have 0.5x minus 8x equals 7.5x. Make that negative. There we go.